Good morning, Saugus. I'm Ryan Harris, and today is Tuesday, September 19th. This is SNN. To celebrate Hispanic and Latino Heritage Month, we thought we'd tell you about Selena Quintanilla. Selena was born in Lake Jackson, Texas on April 16, 1971. At a young age, her father Abraham Quintanilla Jr. taught her to sing in Spanish to entertain the Latino community. At 10 years old, Selena was the lead singer of her family's band Selena Los Dinos, where they would perform their Mexican Tejano music at special events. They released various albums such as Alpha in 1986 and Doce Amor in 1988, which gained them popularity in the Latin music world. After performing at the 1989 Tejano Music Awards, Selena was signed to EMI Records, where she began her solo career. With her help from her brother A.B. Quintanilla III, Selena recorded many popular songs including Tu Solo Tu, Bidi Bidi Bom Bom, and Dreaming of You. Apart from music, Selena also stood as the spokesperson for Coca-Cola and a business owner for boutiques called Selena Etc. On March 31st, 1995, Selena was killed by Yolanda Saldivar at 23 years old. Fans throughout the Latino community were heartbroken, as she had a major impact on them through her music. Today, Selena is celebrated throughout the nation with her own holiday on April 16th and her own Hollywood star to honor the Latin artist. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Seniors, you could submit photos and videos to this year's Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life. Pictures or videos can be submitted to our email or Instagram listed below. Slideshows are available for purchase in the ASB office for $15. The parking lot is reserved for staff and seniors with parking passes. If you are parked without a valid pass, you will be ticketed and called into the AP office. Privileges including dances and school events can be taken away for students with outstanding tickets. Juniors, Saugus will be offering the PSAT on October 16th. The test provides practice for the SAT and is a qualifying exam for the National Merit Scholarship Program. If you're interested, you can register and pay at the ASB web store. Supplies are limited. If you have any questions, see your counselor. All students who applied for National Honor Society should check Mr. Miller's room, HA03, at brunch or lunch to view the list of accepted applicants. The next NHS meeting will be on Thursday at lunch in the gym. Now let's go to Shanine Gevorges with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Shanine Gevorges with this week's ASB Minute. It's time to donate blood this fall season. Next Tuesday, September 26th, Saugus High School will be hosting the annual UCLA Blood Drive. The blood drive will be in the gym from 8:15 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. Interested in signing up? If so, visit the website www.ucedonor.com to register. Once on this website, click Blood Drives and enter SGHS in the zip code or account code box. In order to donate, you must be 16 years old and weigh at least 110 pounds. Don't forget, you need a parental consent form in order to donate. To receive a consent form, visit the ASB office. All donors will receive a gift for donating. Remember, every donation counts. Don't forget, this Thursday, there's a football game at Valencia High School. The theme is Beach Party. See you all there, decked out in your beachwear. That's all for me. Now let's go to Bardia Seiri with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Shanine. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Bardia Seiri with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, JV Girls Golf competes in League Match 2 on Chica Course. The match starts at 1. Girls Volleyball plays at Castaic at Saugus. Frosh and JV play at 4:15, and Varsity plays at 5:30. Tomorrow, Girls Golf plays in League Match 2 at Vista Valencia Golf Course. Varsity starts at 1. Girls Tennis plays Simi Valley at 3, JV plays at Simi Valley, and Varsity plays at Saugus. Good luck to all of our Centurion athletes. The Open Play Intramural Dodgeball Tournament will continue this week today and Thursday in the gym at lunch. Come to the gym to dodge, dip, dive, duck, and dodge. Baseball tryouts will be September 26th through September 29th from 3:30 to 5 on the Saugus baseball field. Wear baseball attire, bring your glove, equipment, and water. If you have any questions, see Coach Bennett in room R1806 at brunch or lunch. All students interested in trying out for swim and dive must attend the informational lunch meeting tomorrow in X2413. Tryouts will be Tuesday, September 26th and Thursday, September 28th. Sorry, excuse me. Santa Clara Aquatic Center, if you could provide recent competition times, you must attend one of the 2 tryout dates. If you have any questions, see Coach Boughton in X2413 or Coach Klipfeld in P1605. That's all for me. Now let's go to Carden Watson with another edition in our series Cooking with Eggs.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Connor Watson, cooking with SNN. In this edition of Cooking with Eggs, we will be making creme brulee. Creme brulee is a French dessert you can make when you're craving something sweet.
For this recipe, you will need 2.5 cups of vanilla ice cream, 5 egg yolks, and 5 tablespoons of sugar. Before you begin cooking, be sure to wash your hands with soap and water and wear appropriate clothing. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, scoop your ice cream into a microwave-safe bowl and microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds or until melted. Allow the ice cream to cool for 5 minutes. Next, separate your egg yolks and add them to your ice cream and mix well until combined. Next, divide the mixture into 5 ramekin dishes and place them into a pan with hot water. Half of the ramekins should be underwater. Next, bake for 40 to 50 minutes. After baking, remove the pan from the oven and remove the ramekins from the water. Once the ramekins are removed from the water, allow them to cool. Once cooked, refrigerate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the creme brulee from the refrigerator and let it sit for 30 minutes. Finally, once set, sprinkle a tablespoon of sugar on top. Using a torch, melt the sugar to create a crispy, caramelized topping. You could also garnish with fruit of your choice and enjoy.
Creme brulee is a simple, delicious dessert that can be enjoyed at any time of day. With its creamy custard and crunchy toppings, it is the perfect tasty treat. This is Carden Watson, cooking with SNN.
Thanks, Carden. That looks amazing. There will be an out-of-state college fair taking place in the library today at lunch. Admission representatives from different colleges throughout the country will be present to teach students more about academics, athletics, and the admissions processes at each college. All students are welcome. Reach will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. On September 25th, they'll be hosting Grand Canyon University for periods 1 through 3. All presentations will take place in room Q1715. Any junior or senior student interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein at lunch. The AES Engineering Scholarship is offering a $500 scholarship for high school seniors. You do not have to currently be in engineering courses in order to receive the scholarship. To apply, you must write an essay about yourself addressing the prompt on the application. The deadline for entry is October 8th. For more information and to apply, use the link in the Senior Counseling Google Classroom. Underclassmen are not permitted to leave campus at lunch if they have an academic third or sixth period. Student athletes and those with an open period after lunch may leave campus. Open period stickers are available in the AP office. You can pick them up during your open period, brunch, lunch, or before and after school. New electronic policies have gone into effect. No phones or devices may be out during class periods. Each usage will have a different strike, and each strike has a corresponding consequence. That's all for today. I'm Ryan Harris. In lieu of our usual ending, we wanted to shed light on the tragedy that affected our community. On Sunday, our district Klinkenbrummer was tragically murdered. Please join us in a moment of silence.